So, hello everyone and welcome back for another live trading session. So, market's not going to be too crazy today as we have the bank holiday for America. It's a 3rd of July, and we're going to have a bank holiday, as you can see, today all day. And yeah, there is no US market open, which we would have obviously seen at 4:30, which there wasn't because, well, of course everything's going to be closed. Right now we are currently in a trade on crude oil, I believe that is, yeah, crude oil. So yeah, we are currently about 180 up 180, but I believe we may see this downside coming, so I'm most likely going to be exiting this trade right about now, and we'll start fresh. Doesn't want to close for some reason. Not sure why. Anyway, we'll leave it then. We'll leave it. Right, let's have a look what we got going on. Screen problem? What do you mean? Let me check it, one sec. Well, I've just had a look and it seems fine. Everything seems to be as it should be. Bitcoin just started pushing for this upside. So let's have a look. Yeah, should be all good. Should be all good. What are we expecting for Bitcoin? Honestly, anything could happen for Bitcoin right now, I'm not gonna lie. Looks like we're about to come in for that crossover though. Right. I believe we'll have a look higher time frames and then we'll go from there. I mean, Bitcoin's already getting rejected from this high. Let me try close this crude oil trade actually. I was looking to close it. There we go. There we go. Right. I was actually looking to short Bitcoin right now. We'll have a look if we've got any key levels that we could be trading in. We may have an uptrend though. We may have an uptrend. That's just judging from the current structure that we've got. Looks okay. Looks okay. We've got confirmation in multiple areas. Slight breakout there. Confirmation here, there. Slight breakout here, here. Right there as well. Maybe some mirroring in this area. So could we see a move down to 61,600? I feel like we may. 12-hour time frame. 61,519. We could be looking for that downside on Bitcoin right now. The market is going to be pretty slow. I've just seen a rejection there, so I'm going to be coming in for a short position on Bitcoin right now. And TP would be about, let's say 61,600-ish. And stop loss will go 62,100. What have we got going on for Athena? I'll have a look at Sui as well. Meme coins, well, meme coins in general. It's kind of that. It's actually a very similar structure to Bitcoin. You can see we've got the high, and then a lower high there. And then for Bitcoin, it's kind of the same thing: high, and then that lower high. Sorry. If we are obviously bearish for Bitcoin, then we could be kind of looking the same for Sui. And let's have a look at Athena as well. Pepe, not really similar in structure. Athena. Could we see the downside? Maybe not. We could revisit that level of 7782. Let's have a look. Athena TP 0.7782. 0.07782. 0.0782. No, 7782. Yes. So we're slightly seeing a downside already for Athena. Already got some movement. But yeah, Sui, I am expecting Sui to see a downside as well. Yeah, the formation and the overall structure of Sui is very, very similar to Bitcoin. Could we see maybe a higher low? We could maybe see a higher low. As the obviously US market is closed, we may see some more movements. Obviously on Bitcoin and crypto in general. Obviously traditional markets are closed, so we may see, you know, more movement into, like I say, Bitcoin and everything else. Gold is pushing slightly. I'm looking for that area of about 175-ish. We could come in for a long to 175. For 175. Stop loss will go 4152. 4152. That's about a 1 to 3, maybe 4-ish ratio, 3.5 possibly. Right. Yeah, 3.14. Oh, I've got to slightly adjust this. I can't move it. We'll drop it on there, we'll just do that. $3.26. Not bad, not bad. Bitcoin's slightly pushing this level out, you can see. Price is actually moving very nicely, you can see, in this area. And then we're kind of merging outside of this resistance area. As if Bitcoin just pushed even heavier. Yep. But I'm looking for gold to come up to about 175 now. That previous high, this previous high area. You'll most likely see a pretty slow market today, as it is, as the US market is closed. See, I'm not expecting too much from today, but yeah, we're still going. We're still going strong. Gold's a little bit bearish now. Slightly bearish. I'm looking for Athena to start pushing for this downside, but yeah, not a lot of movement right now. We are overbought. We are looking overbought. Bitcoin, not Bitcoin. Gold is slightly pushing. Gold is slightly pushing for this upside, but still very slow movement. Very slow movement. Athena is just pushed heavily. I'm looking for a rejection from that previous high though. Right around this area, we could see price moving for the downside. Well, starting to anyway, and then potentially coming to. I mean, we could come about 7799. Even that would still be okay to make kind of a lower low, and then possibly a continuation to the upside. But we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, you can see we're kind of, well, we are very close within our entry price right now. Athena's still pushing, seeing some rejections. Buyers are pushing back. Not what I want to see, I'm not gonna lie. Gold is very slow, very slow. Yeah, gold is super slow right now. Yeah, I think we may have to close on that Athena trade. We actually put a stop loss above that high, just there. So a possible sweep of that high could be a continuation for an even more bullish move. We've got some rejection there from that high. Can we see a deeper downside? Sui as well making slight movements for this upside. I mean, I was expecting a continuation, but yeah, we're seeing a slight push right now, and we're still seeing it. Gold push though. Yeah, we're getting rejected. Can we now see momentum obviously shifting and coming in for this low? Maybe, maybe. Gold slightly pushing though. Gold is slightly pushing. I think Athena's literally just still in the same still in that same range. Seeing some rejection at this high, but yeah, overall not too much movement. I'm not gonna lie, not too much movement at all. Gold is still pushing. Gold is still pushing. We're at 4170 now. About. Yeah, I don't think we're going to sweep this liquidity in the upside. We're most likely going to be continuing for the downside. Slight reversal, maybe retest that level of about 4175-ish, 4178. We have TP at 4175, I believe. Yep, 4175. So we'll see. Yeah, price is starting to push. Price is pushing. I mean, we are seeing rejections. You can see we've got a slight rejection here, and then we've got a hammer candle there. We might see a reversal, but it's not an immediate thing. Yeah, we might get stopped out right here though. Most likely. Yep. Gold's looking good-ish. Gold's looking good-ish. 4171 now. We're looking to come to that level of about 4174-ish to about 4176. Hella bullish. Hella bullish. It's literally just Sui now. Consolidating in this range right now. So can we see a deeper downside for Sui? Gold's at 4171 right now. We've made a high of about 4173. Well, that heavily overbought. Looks like Sui is starting to round off. Trump returned to Mount Rushmore after years of hinting he belongs there. What, is he gonna get his face carved in Mount Rushmore? Maybe. Where are we at for gold? Still pushing slightly, still pushing. Series slowly coming for the downside. We'll most likely have a little bit of signals tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, today. We'll have some signals later on today for the session. So yeah, we'll see how they go. Yeah, just a load of rubbish, honestly. World's largest methanol dual fuel container ship, independently built by China, embarked on its commercial maiden voyage from Qingdao port. It's not too important for us. Yemen war, Houthi group. The era that built America. What's this about? Alright. Not got too much going on, honestly. Not got too much going on. Oh my days. Yeah, we've got to close that position, I reckon. We've got to close that position. I'm not liking it whatsoever. Yemen's Houthis, any further sway, Saudi attack would be met with strikes on Saudi airports. Saudi airports? Bruh. Sounds like they're gonna attack, what, is it Saudi, that's what, to do with Dubai, I believe? Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, I'm not liking. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Sui is going. Sui's off in the bin today. Get rid of that. Can't even believe it pumped so hard. Honestly. Gold's at 4172. We're looking at about 4173 or 4. We're seeing a little bit of rejection. Could we see a move for the downside now? We may. Yeah, look at that. Athena is so overbought. I felt like we'd make a low around 7856. I don't see that pushing even higher though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't see that pushing even higher. What about ENA? Where is our liquidity? $7,963. I mean, we could sweep it and then continue for this downside, but we'll see. Gold has pushed very nicely. 4174 now. 4175 is our TP. Wait a sec. I'm looking at Tether Gold. I'm looking at Tether Gold. Yeah, I don't think we'll come for that level though. We'll most likely be stopping out to about, let's say, 4163-ish, 4163. ENA XAU to USD 4163. Look how heavily overbought we are in this region. Heavily overbought. I'm looking for that downside. Price is very choppy right now. Price is super choppy. It's all over the place. Is this now the move for the downside that we're expecting, or? Look at that, TP is actually very close on that trade. Look at that, Athena's now within about 470 profit. Very nice, very nice. 470 profit on Athena. Where can we expect to see this low forming? I mean, I'd actually say about 0.0783. That is kind of where I'd expect this low to be. So you can see previously when we came to the downside again, we went below this high, and it was near kind of the lower section. So could we see a low? I mean, I'd expect this exact price range, to be fair. It does look very nice. It does look very nice. Slight rejection though. But overall, I still am expecting that continuation. You can see buying pressure is still kind of strong, 60. We're at 60 on the RSI. Why is that so far away, honestly? Yeah, we just came in for that crossover on the MACD. So we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. Are we going to get a continuation even higher for gold? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We are getting some more movement for this upside. I don't want to see Athena coming for the upside though. I don't want to see Athena coming for this upside. Currently, we've not really got any signals. We've got TPs. But if you guys obviously want to see, and hi new here. How's the challenge going? Challenge is going okay. We're down about 3.8k though. So. Yeah, I mean, we are actually, well, from the 20k, we're up about 6. But initially, we actually came to 30k. And yeah, we came for that downside. Came for downside, not downside, but yeah, we got cooked quite a few times. New Houthis said they forced Saudi warplanes out of Yemen airspace after they tried to stop an Iranian civilian AI something. It doesn't look too important, so I'm not gonna bother looking at that. I'm not gonna bother with that. We're up 950. Ideally, I want to see Athena come into that price range, and that would already put us in about 2k profit. We're already at 1k. Gold is still consolidating this range, but Athena is now looking for that low. Currently, we are in an uptrend, as you can see. High, kind of low. It's like a extended low. We've got a low there, high, low. A bit of a sharper low there, a very sharp high, and then I'm expecting the low in that area. So yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. There we go. We've got more movement for this downside now. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. 1.1k profit. Gold is in for this downside now though. Here you can see we're slowly making a move for the downside. So I reckon I'm going to close that position on gold. And then we'll come in for a deeper downside. Let me just close that trade. And we're coming for a short on gold now, as I am expecting that downside for gold. Four one. XAUT. I'd be expecting to come. That's Athena still. 4088. 1.3k profit for Athena. Was it 4088, I believe? 4088. Stop loss will go 4180. 75. Yeah, that's reasonable. That is reasonable. Already up 25. Look at that big push for the downside on gold. Big push. We're up 1.5k. Athena's actually got a little bit more to go for that TP to be hit. Little bit more to go for that TP. Slight rejection though. But yeah, overall we are still looking for a deeper downside. What have we got going on? Bitcoin's finally back within that level. I mean, if we actually did hold on for that Bitcoin trade, we could have obviously been at risk of being in a bigger loss if, for example, we obviously saw a move, let's say, I don't know, 62.5k, 63k. So pushing past 62, 350, yeah, that could have put us in a very bad position. But yeah, we are slowly moving for the downside now. Athena's seeing some slight rejection, but overall, I still am expecting to hit that TP. I want to be hitting that TP. I want to be hitting that TP. Very badly. We are super close to it as well. It's actually crazy how close we are. 0.783, currently about 0.785. So we do have tiny bit more to go. Tiny bit more to go. Surprised I've actually got something on Glint today. I wasn't actually expecting anything at all, but yeah, we are getting some kind of news. 4173. There we go. Are we getting edged now? I mean, we've literally got an inverted hammer candle there. It could signal a move for the upside, but then again, it may not. It may not. I mean, Bitcoin looks very, very bearish. This is the this is the chart I've got for Bitcoin right now. This is what we're looking like. So I'm expecting to see a move down to 61,666. Gold's on the downside, Bitcoin's on the downside, Athena's on the downside. We're so close to that TP. It's actually crazy. Come on now, let's hit that TP. Send us home, send us home. Send us home. What have we got? Russian Dmitry Medvedev pays respect at former Iran Supreme Leader Khomeini's coffin in Tehran. So yeah, the funeral for Khomeini was today actually. So I don't believe his son, or what was it? I think it was his son. Yeah, he didn't actually attend. There was some actually news about that, but I don't know. Not for me to decide. Not for me to decide. So close that TP. We're actually getting edged so hard. Premium edging right now. Premium edging. Look at that. TP is right there. Price is just like, oh no, maybe not, maybe not. It's like a maybe, maybe not, maybe, maybe not. Bitcoin is slowly coming for this downside. Look at that. We're looking nice. We're looking nice. We're seeing some rejections though. We may have a bit of consolidation, but yeah, you can see gold slow down as well. Bitcoin slow down. Athena slow down. I don't want to see a high. I don't want to see a low here though. I want to see TP hit. Then you can do what you want. Then the price can go wherever it wants to go. But I want to be hitting our TP. Let's hit that TP. Come on now. Edging at its finest, guys. Oh my days. Edging at its finest. Look how close TP is. It's literally right there. Far. If we start moving for the upside, oh my god, I'm gonna break something, I swear. I'm joking. Can't be destroying the trading setup. My most valued possession. Gold is pushing though. Gold's continuing this downside. Charts seem to be a little bit laggy today. I'm not sure why. But yeah, we're looking to come to about 4155 at least. Creating a lower low. Come on, let's see the downside. So close. Come on. Little bit more, little bit more. I feel like them indicators kind of need to cool off and then we may see that downside, but yeah, this is premium edging right now. Bitcoin as well, not too much movement. Gold's pushing down though, gold is pushing. Bruh. Yeah, seeing some slight rejection, but overall we are looking very nice for the downside. Let's have a look. Higher time frames. Can we see a potential continuation for this downside? It's looking a bit sauce. It's looking a bit sauce. 5 minute time frame will look good though. 5 minute time frame will look good. I mean, this kind of area has only been what, like I'd say about an hour maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So about what, 75 minutes? An hour and 15, something like that. Yeah, Glint's not giving us anything today. It's just like Telegram groups and just a bunch of rubbish. just a bunch of rubbish. Like, for example, illegal alien convicted of repeatedly assaulting a 10-year-old girl. That's just absolutely wrong. That is honestly, I mean, it's America. They've got crazy stuff going on over there. They even call immigrants illegal aliens. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, actually, immigration is actually a very, very big problem in everywhere right now. I mean, in Europe, it's a massive, massive problem. Like, all I keep seeing, obviously, on Twitter is yeah, attacks, and well, it's not what you want to see. You don't want to be obviously walking down the street and being at risk of, I don't know, getting stabbed or killed or anything like that, or even your partners or anything. But yeah, I feel like we'll have to close this position for Athena, as we are now looking for this potential upside, or maybe not, or maybe not. Do we let it play out? Let me know. I'm gonna drop in the comments below. I want you guys to tell me. I want you guys to let me know. Right, let me know. Let me know what you guys think. TP, or do we actually just let it play out? Let it hit that TP. Do we take profit now, or do we let it play out and come to this initial TP that we had in the bottom? Let me know. Click them buttons. Click them buttons. Mouses, screens, whatever you're on. Let me know. It's 1K. It's 1K. Everyone, click them buttons. I want to see. I want to see four. There's 4 of you watching, and now I want to see 4 of you answer. Let's go. I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. What have we got? TP. Let's just take TP then. Let's just take TP. Not bad though, not bad at all. I feel like we can now wait for the next high, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, gold is still bearish. Gold is still bearish. We're looking nice. We're looking nice. Yeah, TP. We just took TP, so yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Gold does still look like it's going to be in for a deeper downside. So we're looking good on gold. We're looking good on gold. What else have we got? Yeah, more Telegram groups. More Telegram groups. Messi returns to the field and golden boot race at the World Cup continues. Did anyone watch the Portugal game yesterday? I was in bed watching it and I just passed out. I literally just passed out. But it was a good game. It was a good game. I believe Ronaldo had, I think, well, 2 goals that didn't count, or is it 1 goal? I'm not sure. He was offside on definitely on one of them, but I'm not sure about the other one. He did score a penalty though. It was nice. It was good. And then he just hit the suey, and it was all good. That was all good. Let me know what you guys think. Messi or Ronaldo? Messi or Ronaldo? Who's gonna win? As if I'm doing a poll on Messi or Ronaldo. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, come on. Messi! Oh my god. No way. I've just already seen Messi and I'm getting mad already. I don't want to see Messi. But other than Messi, gold is looking good for this downside. We are slowly moving for this downside. I want to be clearing this low. Clearing that low would be absolutely fantastic, honestly. That would be amazing. But we're seeing slight rejection right now, But still looking, overall we're still looking good for this downside move. Still looking good. Yeah, well, most likely, no Messi. Messi's washed, bro. Messi is ass. Now, I wouldn't say he's that bad, but I mean, he's good. Like, he's got talent, he's one of the best, but I mean, I don't know, Ronaldo's got it all. I think Messi as well, he had, what was it called? He was kind of brought into it, and obviously Ronaldo came from absolutely nothing. He came from absolutely zero. So, Messi's kind of been like a, I don't know, he's been pushed, he's been treated, he's got all this, he's got all that. But Ronaldo's just made it fully himself. I mean, that's what I think anyway, but there we go. Speaking of that, we've just got some news. We got Portugal and Cristiano Ronaldo live another day after an in-ball sensor finds a Croatian player head touch the ball and rules a teammate offside, wiping out a last-second equaliser. Croatia eliminated from World Cup in most heartbreaking, hair-glazing way possible. Hair-glazing sounds a bit sauce. Alright, let's have a look. Gold is slowly moving for its downside. Honestly, the movement is slow right now, hella slow. But we're looking good. I don't believe we have actually got any signals. We don't have any signals. We do have any signals for today. Oh, I've got my shoulder peeling off. I've been sunburnt like last weekend. I was on the jet skis, was all having a good time, and yeah, I got some sunburn on my shoulder. Alright, let me see what you guys think. Actually no, it's still a 50-50. It's still 50-50, so I want to see who wins, Messi or Ronaldo. So when I come back, I want to see someone in the lead. Either or. I want to see what you guys think. What my view is. Are we Messi fans or Ronaldo fans? But anyway, that gold trade currently looks good. We are still in for this downside, and ideally I want to be sweeping this low. So with that in mind, I'll leave that trade there for you guys, and I will be back very, very shortly. Hello. So, gold is still moving very sus. No movement at all. Look at that, I don't know, it's 20 minutes of consolidation. Kind of this whole time, plus more, before I obviously left, we had consolidation, just pure consolidation. There we go, we've got more of a move for the downside, but can we sweep that low? Can we sweep that low? Or are we going to get rejected again? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We're seeing more rejection again. So much rejection. Messy, no messy. Right, let's have a look what you guys think. 5 votes, 80% Ronaldo, 20% Messi. That's what I love to see. That's what I love to see. Ronaldo's the GOAT. Ronaldo is the GOAT. There we go, finally. Finally got a move for this downside. It could have been a fake out though. We want to see a deeper downside. We've had a slight movement, but we could still see a slight move in this same range. What's this? Iran has deployed special forces along Iran's Persian Gulf coast to identify vessels using the Oman side route through the Strait of Hormuz, according to Iran International. There are 3 routes through the Strait of Hormuz: a southern route near Omani waters, the middle route used before the war, and the northern route under Iranian control. I actually don't even want to read all that, but yeah, I'm not reading all that. Iran is misusing, abusing, and trying to expand Article 5 of the MUI against the USA. Yeah, Iran's actually been acting very sus, honestly. Iran has been acting super sus. They've been doing all sorts of suspicious things, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we've got some more rejection back into this range. As you can see, we slightly broke through. Obviously, we've got a lower low now. But initially, I am expecting to see a continuation for this downside. Very slow. Obviously, US markets are closed today. Yeah, we're not going to see too much. But we actually did hit a very nice trade for Athena. I think it was about 900 or just under 1K, I believe. 840. Yeah, we did get kind of cooked at the start. We took a loss for Athena and 533, and then Sui 309. So yeah, we did get slightly cooked at the start of the session, but we just hit. Well, we didn't hit TP. We actually got edged at the TP for Athena. TP was actually around 7831-ish, but yeah, TP didn't get hit. And I asked you guys, what do you think? TP or just let it play out? And you said TP, so we took TP. How often do you live stream? Every single day, from Monday to Saturday, every single day. So yeah, if you guys obviously want to join in for tomorrow's session, we will have some nice trading going on tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see. You can see we're getting rejected at this previously supported price level. Where are we at for Bitcoin? Could this be a higher low? Could this be a higher low? I mean, I was expecting to see that low of around, let's say, 61.7k. I mean, we could still see it, but obviously if we do see that, we will then be coming in for a long position, as well, we've kind of been respecting this level. we were respecting this level in this lower region very nicely in this midsection, but then it kind of got a little bit chaotic in this region. We actually did come in for a long position around. No, actually, we did come in for a short position around this area, where obviously I was expecting to see a confirmation on this level and then a move for the downside. But unfortunately, we actually pushed pretty heavy, and then afterwards we got some movement for the downside. But yeah, overall we're not really seeing too crazy movements today. We're seeing a slight continuation for gold right now though. As you can see, we broke that level down, looking better. This music is killing me, so we're gonna have a look at something else. Let's have a look. Yeah, we'll drop this in.
Last day.
Right. Signal wise, we've not got too much going on. Not got too much going on at all. Can we see a deeper downside for gold? What do you guys think? Are we going to see a deeper downside for gold? Let me know. I'm going to put in a poll so you guys have to, type, use your energy. I'm going to do it for you. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Click them screens, click them mouses, whatever you guys are watching this on. But yeah, welcome to the live, welcome to the session. I appreciate every single one of you for joining, and it will be greatly appreciated if you guys obviously hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach them 300 subscribers, so we're getting closer and closer day by day. But yeah, we are still looking nicely for this downside on gold. We are still pushing. We are still pushing. Looking good. Let's see it. Deeper downside. Ideally, I want to be coming down to about, well, I want to be clearing this low. So 4145. Ideally, we want to be coming, let's say 4140 maybe. We'll put in TP 4140. And stop loss, actually we can change up stop loss a little bit, as obviously we are within profit, and we can drop in stop loss at a reasonable level. So we obviously, if we start seeing movements for the upside, we will obviously get stopped out. And ideally, I'd put stop loss around 4155. So we'll put stop loss 4155 if we see, kind of a heavier move for this upside. We don't get stopped out. So let's just confirm that. There we go. So that's what we've got going on. Slight rejection right now, but still overall we are looking for that downside. I want to be sweeping this low that we have in this area. So potential TP could be about 840. Obviously stop loss is already, overall we are already within profit. I mean, stop loss, I've obviously put it a little bit lower. So if price starts coming for a reversal, we actually do get stopped out and we are still within profit. Because obviously then, if we still have stop loss in our previous kind of origin area, then we'd be in a loss. Even though price came within profit, we'd still be in a loss. But with that, no matter how we move, well, unless obviously we see an absolute explosion for the upside, which I heavily doubt, but I mean, anything can happen. But I mean, it's Friday, so yeah, we're not going to see anything crazy. And plus, US markets are closed, so yeah, I'm not expecting any insane moves. The last kind of insane move I actually saw was on yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday at 3:30 p.m. That is Riga time. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Riga time, but let me just have a look at the calculator thing, time zone. So 3:30 was about 8:30 a.m. That's Eastern time, and then that's about 1:30 London time. So yeah, that's where we are at. Seeing some more consolidation for gold right now, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, about 5 minutes or so of consolidation. But yeah, time is going by pretty quickly. But yeah, like I said, I want to be clearing this low. I want to be clearing that low. We are currently very bearish for gold. Looking good, looking good. I'll have a look at Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin's also consolidating this range. Ideally, we want to see a move to about 61,680 to about 700, and then would most likely be looking for a long position. We'll have a look if we've actually got any liquidity in this downside for gold. Let's have a look. XAUT. Yeah, I mean the closest liquidity cluster is actually 40.88 for Tether Gold. And then for gold itself, I believe we still have most of that liquidity in the downside. So 4142 is where we are. Well, we are aiming ideally for about 4150-ish, 55. But yeah, I'm talking about Bitcoin. 61,488, and then the closest liquidity cluster is actually 61,579. So just below 61.6k. Just below 61.6k. I mean, ideally that would actually be a nice touch on this support level. But yeah, in this higher range, we've kind of been completely outside that zone, but you can see again here we have literally got some very nice confirmation of this resistance level, also on, well, entirely actually on the other side. So obviously we've come through that level, and then we've got mirroring, which is pretty much confirmation, but obviously when we have it in the upside. So obviously, normal moves would be respecting the level, let's say inside the key level. For example, like here, you can see got perfect touch on that level, perfect confirmation. Market is pretty much showing the level is there, level is strong. The more candles we actually get on the level, the stronger the level is. But then you can see here, mirroring here as well, here as well. So the price, the market pretty much shows us the level is valid. The level is still valid. We've not actually got it too much here, but you can see here, there again, here again, and in the key level as well. So we've got confirmation here, and then we go down the line, we can see more confirmation here, slight confirmation there, but yeah, it's not too strong. Here as well, not so much in this region. Got some more there. Here as well. So yeah, the level is looking good. Level is looking good. But we'll see if we can actually see a move to this support area. Can we see it? Can you tell me, how do you plan your trades? I mean, it's not really a plan. It's just you analyze the market, you see the structures, you see the levels, you see the liquidity. You have to have obviously kind of what's the word? you've got to know how kind of the market sentiment is on that day. For example, a couple of weeks ago, obviously we had the war situation. It was kind of like, it's like, you know, all-time high. And then if the news is coming out bad, well, Bitcoin and obviously other cryptocurrencies heavily acted on news, and it's pretty much moving, like I said before, like a tech stock. And yeah, it was pretty much moving from one liquidity cluster to another liquidity cluster. And well, the market changes every single day, so I can't really tell you that there's, you know, a straightforward plan from obviously day one, and it's going to work on day 2 and day 3 and day 4 and day 5. Maybe something can work from obviously day 1 on, I don't know, day 7. So yeah, you kind of have to be very, very flexible in the market, because it does move sometimes very, very different. And yeah, you've got to kind of slither through and try and be as flexible as possible. There we go, we've got some more movement for the downside. Look at that big bearish move. But with that in mind, I actually do have some very nice signals in the group that we have. It's pretty much the first link in the description of this live trading session. Obviously you click it and it'll take you to the Telegram group, where we obviously give you guys free signals, entirely free. You don't have to sign up, you don't have to do any, oh, if you don't have Telegram you have to sign up obviously, but there's no fees, no nothing at all. So if you guys do want free signals, then obviously that I personally use as well, then click that link in the description below. It's a very nice opportunity for you guys to obviously get some free signals and, you know, trade. But with trading, there is an even better scenario that we have. So currently on Everdex, which is the second link in the description of this live trading session, we have an opportunity for you guys to actually get funded trading accounts. So when you click that link, you obviously sign up. It's very, very straightforward, very simple, and pretty much you go to trade. You kind of hover your mouse over this icon. You go to funded trading, you click it, and then this is a screen that will be on your screen pretty much. And what we have is, for a 1.5k account, the USD entry is 50. So with a 50 USD entry, you get a 1.5k account, and it's instant payout. There's no challenges, no silly business, 0% profit share. So everything you make profit-wise is entirely yours. So it's a great, obviously, opportunity for you guys to trade and not be risking your own capital. Say obviously you've started trading, or you know, you're trying to save money for trading if you're working a normal job, which obviously I did before. I saved up, started trading, and it went fantastic. But this is a fantastic opportunity for you guys obviously to enter with that 50 USDT entry and get some very nice profits. If you are, you know, looking to challenge yourself, then that's a fantastic place to start. Also, we obviously have 5k, 10k, 25k and so on, but the entry is a little bit bigger. So yeah, it's entirely up to you guys if you want to check that out. We've just seen a slight pushback from gold. Slight pushback from gold. But we are still looking bearish. We are still looking very bearish. Let's have a look in a higher time frame what we've got going on. This is actually the first kind of buying candle that we've got. What was I going to look at? Higher time frames. Trump says he doesn't read for fun. Oh, never mind, that's not important right now. Yeah, we are kind of maybe looking for the upside right now. We might start looking for the upside. I mean, that's obviously if we get rejected. We could see a deeper downside though. We could see a deeper downside. 5 minute time frame. I mean, we do look even more bearish, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, 5-minute time frame does tell us we could still see a downside. This is kind of that heavily sold off area, and then now we just had that kind of buying pressure. MACD did just come in for the crossover, and pretty much momentum is starting to shift for a deeper downside. But we'll see if we can actually, you know, continue for this downside movement. I thought it was an earthquake. We're looking good. We're looking okay for now. Looking okay for now. But yeah, obviously yesterday I actually put these LED strips under my table, and today I was kind of like, you know, fixing a table. I was looking to get another monitor in, but I have to have some kind of thing so that I can get obviously all 3 HDMI cables coming from one source. I tried to obviously loop it, but it doesn't work. They have to have a video source, so yeah, that didn't work. And the mic fell on the table, and it kind of like, well, I had the LED strip around the table, and it just snapped it fully. It took me quite a long time to actually do it, but yeah, it was a sad moment, I'm not gonna lie. Sad moment. Let me know in the comments below, who do you guys want to win the World Cup? The World Cup's a very big topic right now. Obviously it happens every 4 years. I'm watching the games, and I'm pretty sure you guys are watching the games also. But I want to know who you guys are, you know, cheering for. So let me know in the comments, let me know. I don't know whether it's Netherlands, Pakistan, or Canada, or I don't know if all them teams are still in the World Cup, but let me know who you are. I mean, I know that Japan got kicked out. They got beaten by Brazil, and then Croatia lost yesterday to Portugal. Austria lost, I believe, to Spain. Yeah, 3-0. Spain won 3-0 to Austria. Spain have actually not conceded a single goal in the FIFA World Cup just yet, I believe. There we go, we've got more movement for the downside, we've got more movement for this downside. Well, yeah, we want to be sweeping this previous low though, and you know, continuing this downside move. Very slow markets today. I mean, we could come in for a position, let's say, I don't know, Bitcoin, or yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's not really too friendly with us today. No real indication of where price is actually headed. We could potentially come in for Athena, but then again, let's have a look, higher time frames. So that is all over the place. That price is all over the place, honestly. I mean, we could look for a long here. We could look for a long here. You can see lower, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. We've got perfect low, obviously higher lows, higher highs. We've got high, 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 all higher, lows as well. Higher low, higher low, higher low. This could be a very nice area to look for a long position, I'm not gonna lie. We'll come in for a long. We'll come in for a long on that. Unless, let's check liquidity first. We may have some clusters very close by. What would be ENA? Actually, no, we don't have any liquidity close by. We're already seeing some rejection near those previous lows. Let's have a look. We're going to come in long. That structure looks good. We're making higher highs, higher lows. Overall, we are still looking bullish. We are still looking bullish. I'm not sure why that position is being taken. There we go. Gold is still looking bearish. Athena's just started pushing. You can see hammer candle there and an immediate bullish candle right there. So we'll see if our analysis, market structure and levels was a good entry. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. Gold is still pushing even lower. Gold is still pushing even lower. Gold's literally just consolidating, honestly. There's not really too much movement going on for gold right now though. Not too much movement, I'm not gonna lie. There we go, Athena's pushing. Gold's actually just dropped. Gold has just dropped. Let's go. Let's go. Athena's within about, what, 355 profit. That was actually that was literally like a sniper entry. And we did obviously move a little bit lower, but then look at that. Very bullish move, very bullish move. That was a great entry, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I am looking to come for a higher high though on Athena. So that is gonna be, that could actually be a very, very crazy trade, I'm not gonna lie. Could be about, I don't know, 2K, 3K, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. Oh, gold's seen a slight rejection there though. We did actually see a pretty bearish move. We have actually have, well, I can't even speak. We actually have created a lower low. As you can see, well, price did come lower, but then we actually did close as well slightly lower. And realistically, we don't even want to, we don't want to be coming for this high. Ideally, you want to see a rejection right around here and then continue even deeper for this downside. And overall, I want to be clearing this low, this big low that we have, this big valley. This big valley that we have in this downside. We've got about 30 seconds or so for this candle to fully form, and then we'll see how we go. Ooh, a little bit more bullish though. Athena's seeing some rejection. Athena is seeing some rejection. Got 3 more seconds for that candle there. It's actually closed slightly above that previous high. Let's have a look, higher time frame, 3 minute. I mean, we still could see a move, but I don't know, 166. And then a continuation even lower. And then 5 minute time frame. Yeah, we're still kind of consolidating in this area. Will we be taking any new positions? I'm not sure. Maybe. Most likely, yeah. I mean, we've just come in for that Athena trade. We'll have a look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still not at a level which I'm actually happy with. Like I said previously, I will be looking most likely for a long position once we see some confirmation on this support level, or even resistance. But I mean, resistance not looking too good. Price has not been kind of listening to that resistance area. It's kind of been not really respecting that level. Even though we do have some mirroring on the other side, obviously the level is valid, but at the same time, if we come in for a short position, then we may actually see a move even higher, as well, as you can see. Not respecting that level, big move through it, here again. I missed Ina. Well, let's see if you can come in for that next trade. But we'll see. 512 on Athena right now. Nearly up about 1k. Nearly up like 1k already. We want to see gold coming deeper though. So ideally, we obviously want Athena to continue this upside, but then see gold coming in for this downside. So we'll see. Dollar index is still pushing. Yeah, there's not a lot of movement at all right now for gold. Gold's actually coming a little bit more bullish, which is a little bit concerning, I'm not gonna lie. Slightly concerning. Gold's just pushed very hard. NATO affirms defense pact. What have we got going on? NATO and Ankara draft affirms defense pact. A draft NATO summit declaration declaration approved by all 32 members affirms the ironclad commitment to collective defense and outlines our 80 billion military aid package for Ukraine in 2026 and 2027. Interesting. 80 billion. Oh my god. Honestly, 80 billion is, well, it's not it's not a small amount, let's say that. It's not a small amount, let's say that. What? Oh, gold just from that impulsive move, gold obviously got stopped out. And yeah, we obviously took only about 61 USD profit on that gold trade. But yeah, Athena's still slowly pushing for the upside, still slowly pushing. Where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's at this resistance level. Like I said before, I'm not going to be coming in for a trade on this resistance area. I mean, we could see a move, obviously, from that level towards the downside, but I don't know, I'm not looking too positive on it. Too positive, I'm not looking too positive. I mean, we could, but then it's a bit of a risky, it's a risky trade, I'm not going to lie. Or do we come in for that? Do we come in for that? It's at a pretty nice level. It's at a pretty nice level. We could obviously see Bitcoin respecting it, but then we also might not see Bitcoin respecting it. We did actually see an interesting move here. We came for the downside back into that key area and retested this resistance level, and then we saw a move for the downside. We could come in. We could come in. Let's have a look. We'll come in for that trade, and we'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. Let's have a look. We are looking overbought as well. Higher time frames. Let's have a look what we've got going on in the higher time frames. Yeah, looks like momentum may be shifting for the downside now, so we could be okay. We could be okay. Athena's within 668 profit right now. Very nice. So I've just come in for a short position at that resistance area for Bitcoin. Signal wise, we've not really got anything going on today. Not really got anything going on today. But we are looking for that downside right now on Bitcoin. We'll see how this trade plays out. We'll see how this trade plays out. TP, like I said, I'm looking for about, let's do 61.7k. 61,700 for Bitcoin. And then obviously stop loss, let's have a look. Somehow that's not gone in. I'm not sure why it's not wanting to take it. Anyway, we'll leave it there for now. Some kind of glitch. Gold's starting to actually push right now. Gold is starting to push again. Not what I want to see. Not what I want to see. Let's see this downside. Look at that big rejection for Bitcoin right there. We're up nearly 1K on Athena though. Are we going to see Athena coming for the downside now that Bitcoin has actually respected that level? I feel like we may. I feel like we might.
Conversations rise underneath the velvet sky, lost inside this endless sound where our hearts are truly found. Just a word you run from. I gave you time, I gave you truth.
Athena's pushing. Athena is pushing.
Tired of waiting, tired of doubt. Every signal just fades out, but I won't be invisible. I'm not your maybe anymore. I'll let you know I'm done chasing shadows.
Yeah, we've got some heavy buying pressure right now in this area, but overall I'm still looking for that downside on gold. Very impulsive right now. I feel like I want to come out. I feel like I want to come out of that Athena position though. Yeah, we're still slowly pushing for Athena. Slowly pushing for Athena. Bitcoin's pushing as well. Not liking it. I'm not liking it at all. Should we TP at 1k for Athena? Shall we TP at 1k for Athena? We could. 995. Bitcoin's literally still at this same exact level. We got those lower highs though, as you can see. Got 10ish seconds, 10ish seconds or so on this candle to fully form. We want to see dollar index pushing this upside. Yep, dollar index is pushing heavily right now. Yeah, momentum is for the upside. Momentum is for the upside. I'm looking to come in for that crossover on gold though. And yet Netanyahu, Trump agreed to meet in US soon. That's good. That's good. I feel like that'll be pretty bearish for gold. Probably bullish for, let's say, Bitcoin. If it's actually legit information though, that is. Yeah, that Bitcoin trade taking its time. It's taking its time. I reckon we TP at 1k for Athena. Or do we TP? We'll TP at 1k for Athena. Let's not get too cocky and get cooked. Where's SL for Bitcoin? Just above recent high. Let me have a look. I'd put SL around 62.11, so 62,100. Yeah, about 62,100ish. That's where I'd put my stop loss. I mean, even if we do have that, that'd still be like a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 ratio. There we go. We've got 1k. Let's close that trade for Athena. But first, we'll have a look if it actually can be. Maybe making a higher high. 7,955. Yeah, I mean we could see this upside for Athena though. We'll do 7,955 for Athena. Oh shit. Still got quite a long way to go for Athena right now.
Your shadow lingers on the edge.
Or do we close it? I'm thinking, do we close it? Do we continue?
Gone, but out of sight.
I feel like we should just play it safe, I'm not gonna lie.
Hold the air where you used
Let's play it safe. Let's play it safe. Take TP where it is.
still chasing what I can't see.
I feel like Bitcoin will continue even lower though. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but I believe we will see that deeper downside for Bitcoin. It's literally just buying pressure right now. But yeah, I am looking for the momentum to start shifting, and yeah, coming in for a downside. Coming in for that downside.
We don't need forever, just this one last chance.
Very slow price action for Bitcoin right now, honestly. So slow. We've been consolidating this range. Well, we actually did come within slight profit for, I don't know, like a minute or two. And then, yeah, we've been consolidating above price, below price. So, yeah, it's been very slow. It's been very slow.
Every word you said keeps on dancing in my head. The city's slow, but my mind won't stop. I play a song and I turn it up. Try to run, but I always do.
Let's see the downside. Come on now. Oh, it's taking its time. It's honestly taking its time.
Feels like time keeps slipping away, but I find myself back to you anyway. Back to you, like the beat to the bass. Like a ghost I just can't replace. No, you never. You
Very slow, honestly, so slow. It's like we're in profit, then we are in a loss, slight profit, slight loss, slight profit. It's just a back and forth right now, constant back and forth right now. There we go, we finally got more movement, but it's still not enough. It's still not enough. Yeah, very slow. Very slow price action. I'm not gonna lie. Very slow price action. So like I said, slightly within profit, slightly below profit. It's a constant back and forth. It's a constant back and forth. I'm going to leave that trade there for you guys. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Right, let's have a look. Slightly above, slightly above price range right now. Gold has actually seen a massive move for the upside though. That massive move for the upside. We did slightly drop, but there's a very big demand zone at about 40.50. Let's have a look on gold. TP will go 4100. This trade will most likely play out for like a couple hours at least. We'll go 4180 as a stop loss. And it's a rather large trade, I'm not gonna lie, but we are still expecting this downside. There we go. Bitcoin is all over the place. It's actually seeing some rejections from this resistance level. Looks better though, looks better. Has market closed for gold? I mean, it's 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock UK time. I think we may have closed. Not sure. Gold's literally just stopped moving. I think it may be earlier because we have the bank holiday for USA. Yeah, due to the US Independence Day holiday, trading resumes on Sunday evening for next trading week. Closed for the holiday. Spot gold, there isn't a single centralized exchange, but liquidity is significantly reduced when major US markets are closed. So yeah, gold is closed. Gold is closed. Well, that's that. A tiny profit for that trade. Completely forgot that it's closing today. Yeah, so markets are closed right now. Relatively no movement at all, I'm not gonna lie. Relatively no movement at all. Bitcoin is pushing a bit. Yeah, I mean, we should have been stopped out right now. I didn't put in stop loss. So, unfortunately, yeah, we've been stopped out. Honestly, I'm not seeing nice signals anywhere. Are you trading the trades in the Telegram group? Yes, of course. Not today. We've not really had too many trades. I'm not gonna lie. We've got last trade was. Let me have a look. Last trade was at. Last trade was at 2 p.m. So, yeah, we're not really getting any movements at all. Obviously, we're not going to be trading gold anymore. Gold markets are closed. So ideally, we can kind of just trade meme coins and crypto. Well, obviously, we've got crude oil as well. We could trade crude oil. Or the market's closed for that as well. I think crude oil is 24/7, the same as Bitcoin and well, crypto in general. Yeah, so this is actually where we close our position. And you can see, well, we pretty much would have not seen much movement after that. Looks like we've failed to come in for that high. Yeah, markets are currently so slow, I'm not gonna lie, so slow. Yeah, I don't know. Not really seeing any nice movements at all. Yeah, honestly, market is all over the place. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. So choppy, like I can't even kind of price in where we may be looking to go. I'm not gonna lie, I can't really I can't see it. I can't see it. Let's have a look. Maybe get something on Athena. Athena's still pushing for this high though, I believe. Yeah, it looks like it. We could come in short, obviously, when Athena clears that high, as it is moving in this nice uptrend right now. But that's Athena, Sui. Not really any genuine indication of where we're actually headed for price either. Yeah, it's a difficult one. I'm not gonna lie. We're seeing some. I think we've got a resistance area here for Sui. Could we jump in on that move for this downside? I feel like we could. It's going to be a super risky trade though. We'll come in for the downside there. I mean, we are seeing some slight movement for this downside. Momentum actually has shifted as well. We've kind of got that first block of selling pressure right there. You can see with that first kind of block. But I'm actually looking to come back down to that support area where we have, let's have a look. You can see price has been moving in this range for quite some time. So if we actually get a drop in on that support level for the downside, we'll try to get it as obviously as strong as possible. But let's have a look, let's have a look. The more confirmations, the more candles supporting the level, the better. I feel like it's between here and this lower area. So I feel like that's currently the best we have. It's a pretty solid level. We've got confirmation here, 2 there, another one there, some more in this area, I believe that one there. Well, that's just obviously the candle closing on that level. We'll have a look at volume. Price actually does like to move towards big volume areas. And that's that resistance area. Initially, when we obviously see price move towards like kind of like a big volume area, we tend to see a reversal. And well, currently that is what we're seeing. And that is the resistance level as well. So I mean, we could be looking nice for the downside. Indicator wise as well, momentum now has actually shifted for this downside. We saw some pretty strong buying pressure in this region. RSI, what we're looking like, 56. No, 54. I'm just moving my mouse. It's actually dropping as well. Stochastic as well, leading for the downside. MACD coming for the crossover. Can we see a deeper downside now? Can we see a deeper downside? We will see. We will see. There we go, we've got more movement for this downside. We're up about 370. $412 now. Slight rejection. Yeah, price is so slow today, honestly. I mean, it's not the fact that it's kind of slow; it's just very choppy. You can see the choppiness in this area. Oh, we're slowly pushing back within that price range. Entry point. Back towards our entry position. Do you scalp only? No, I don't scalp at all. Don't scalp at all. Yeah, I want to see price coming back within our range, but currently, yeah, it's very, very slow. Very, very slow. Are we going to see this downside? Are we going to see this downside? It's looking very, 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 very slow. Very slow. There we go, we've got some more movement for the downside. But then we're slightly within loss now again. Slightly within profit, slightly within loss, and it's just bouncing in that same kind of range. I feel like we can put TP above those highs, so about 75.97. 75.97 for stop loss. $75.97, not 79. No, that's too much though, isn't it? That's too much. That's like a 1-to-2 ratio. Yeah, that's crazy. What was we on terminal? Yeah, just Telegram groups. Nothing really going on. Let's see the downside. Honestly, so slow right now. So slow. There we go. We've got some more movement for the downside. Finally. Finally. Let's see his downside. Come on now. Deeper downside. Let's go. 500 already. Taking its time. It's taking its time. There we go, we've got a little bit more movement, but overall we're not really seeing too much going on. Not really seeing too much going on. Crazy. Yeah, market is literally all over the place. Like we've come back into that same range how many times now? Can't even count it. Too many times to count. Honestly. All over the place. Price is literally not moving at all. It's actually crazy. Let's see that downside. Let's see that downside. slightly within profit right now, slightly, ever so slightly. Let's see it. Let's see that downside. Come on now. Honestly, so slow today. So incredibly slow. $200 profit, 170. Price is literally just dancing on that level. Price is literally dancing on that level. It's actually crazy. Ethereum long or short? I'm not sure, honestly. I've not been looking at Ethereum. I'd probably say short though. I'd probably say short. Yeah, currently I'm just looking at SUI. Currently looking at SUI. There we go, we've got more movement for the downside. Slightly more movement for the downside. Are we gonna come in for a lower low though? That's what I want to see, a lower low. Price is so slow, honestly, it's killing me today. It's actually killing me. I'm still looking for a downside on SUI, but overall, it's very slow. It's very slow. Just an insane amount of consolidation. It's actually crazy.
All right, we're getting that up right.
Bro. Oh, let's see it. Let's see this downside. The consolidation is actually insane today. I mean, it is the US market isn't open, so that's most likely why we're seeing all this movement. Honestly, price right now is super slow. So let's have a look if we've got any liquidity for SUI. I mean, most of it is in the downside as well. You can see massive clusters there. 12-hour time frame as well in the downside. Yeah, honestly, price right now is super slow. There's not much movement on Bitcoin. There's no movement on gold. Gold obviously market is closed. But yeah, look at that. Literally no movement at all. We are slowly making lower highs though, so we could potentially see that deeper downside. But I'm still waiting to see it. It's taking its time. It is taking its time. Super slow. Super slow today. But I wish I could tell you guys more, but there's literally nothing to tell. Like there's literally nothing going on. Like full on, it's cooked. It's cooked right now. Cooked. There we go, we've got some more movement. News-wise as well, nothing. I feel it's going to be entirely quiet today, I'm not going to lie. It's going to be very, very quiet. Very quiet. We're seeing some rejection there though. Slight rejection. Slight rejection. Russian markets are facing pressure as the MOEX index falls below 2300, indicating possible economic worries. I'm not sure what to think on that one, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, we'll give it another hour of the session and then I feel like I'll have to call it because we're not seeing anything today. Not seeing anything. We actually were doing pretty well when the gold markets were open, but after that, no movement at all. No movement at all. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I felt we'll just see how this trade goes for today, and then we'll start tomorrow because we're literally getting nowhere. Honestly, there's literally no indication of where we're actually heading. Like, yeah, it's a bit cooked today. I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit cooked today. Look at that. In the space of what, these 3 minutes, we've seen no movement at all. Sui is kind of still slowly moving for the downside. But honestly, no movement at all. No movement at all. This is literally all we're getting right now. Just consolidation. There's no actual movement at all. Like, we see a slight move for the downside, but then again, we're not really we're not moving. We've been in this position for what? I don't even know how long now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'd say about 35 minutes at least. But yeah, we've not seen anything, honestly. We've not seen anything at all. Bomboclat. See, back to that level again. There we go, we've got a bit of movement. But then again, I'm guaranteed it comes back within that price range. I can pretty much guarantee it's going to come back within that price range, I'm not going to lie. I can almost see it. Honestly, price is not going anywhere. Literally no movement at all. We've been consolidating this range for I don't even know how long. I'd say about 40 minutes or so. And Bitcoin, no real movement for Bitcoin. Gold obviously not available, markets are closed. Ethereum as well. No genuine movement. I mean, we could kind of enter, but then it'll be it's just risky to enter when you don't really have anything to go on. Like, there's literally nothing to go on. Like I said again, there's no movement for Athena, Ethereum, Bitcoin. What have we got? Sui in it, Sui. $240. I reckon we're gonna have to close that trade, honestly. We're gonna have to finish up on that trade, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna close that. Right guys, that will be it for today's session. Honestly, there's literally no movement since the US market's closed. Not since the US market closed, but since gold market's closed, we actually have literally seen no movement whatsoever. So yeah, we'll kick things off tomorrow. And yeah, tune into tomorrow's session. Check those links down in the description of the live streaming session. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That will be greatly appreciated. And